Today's math question is cube root of m plus the square root of m is equal to 1 by 8. To simplify, we can express cube root of 3 as m power 1 by 3, and if you do times 2 by 2 in the power, then we can write this m power 1 by 6 times 2. It is in the form of a power m times n. We can write this a power m whole power n. This is equal to m power 1 by 6 whole power 2. Similarly, the square root of m. The square root of m we can express as cube root of 3 we can express as m power 1 by 6 whole power 2. Square root of m you can express as m power 1 by 6 whole power 3. Here m power 1 by 6, here m power 1 by 6. Let's denote a equal to m power 1 by 6. Then our equation transform into a, that is a square plus a cube, that is equal to 1 by 8. So this we can write as a cube plus a square minus 1 by 8, that is equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. So now using synthetic division method, we uncover the roots of a. Cube coefficient is 1, then a square coefficient is 1, then a coefficient is not there. So we just write 0. After that, constant value is minus 1 by 8. Observe the constant value. We have minus 1 by 8. So that means it is in a fraction form. If you take the root as in fraction form, then easily you can find the roots of this equation. That's why I am taking, here we have minus, so I am taking minus 1 by 2. The first one as it is you copy it down. Then do multiplication diagonally. Minus 1 by 2 times 1 is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Add these two, 1 by 2 only. And again do multiplication diagonally. Minus 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 will get minus 1 by 4. So write it here, minus 1 by 4. After adding, you will get 0 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4 only. Then do multiplication diagonally. Minus 1 by 2 times minus 1 by 4, you will get minus times minus is plus. 1 times 1 is 1 in the numerator. Then denominator 4 times 2 is 8. So you will get plus 1 by 8. Here minus 1 by 8 and here plus 1 by 8. After adding, you will get 0. A equal to minus 1 by 2 is our first solution. Cubic equation put into quadratic equation. So the equation is a square plus 1 by 2a, then constant value is minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 0. If you take LCM here, 4 comes in denominator 4, then 4a square plus 2a minus 1, that is equal to 0. If you multiply by 4 on both sides, then you will get 4 times 4. Here 4 gets cancelled. Then our equation is become 4a square plus 2a minus 1, that is equal to 0. What is the formula to find the roots? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a value is 4, b value is 2, c value is minus 1. Substitute in this formula. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus times minus is plus. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 plus 16 by 8. So a equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 20 by 8. This 20 you can write it as square root of 4 times 5. Square root of 4, if you pull it outside, then you will get 2 root 5. So a equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. Here 2 and here 2. So 2 take it as common. Minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. A value is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. It's a cubic equation. So that's why we got 3 solutions. The first solution is a equal to minus 1 by 2. The second solution is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. And the third solution is minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Let's go and check these solutions satisfied our original solutions or not. Let's take the first one, a equal to minus 1 by 2. Let's take LHS in the original equation. This is our LHS. M power 1 by 6, we can write it as minus 1 by 2. So that means minus 1 by 2 whole square plus minus 1 by 2 whole cube. After taking the LCM, we'll get 2 minus 1. That value is equal to 1 by 8. This is our RHS. So our first solution satisfies the equation. Let's check the second solution. A equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So this original equation, cube root of m plus square root of m, we can write it as m power 1 by 6 whole square plus m power 1 by 6 whole cube. Let's take this LHS. This a you can write it as square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 whole square means 1 by 16. Root 5 minus 1 whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. Root 5 whole square plus is 1 square minus 2 root 5 times 1. So that is equal to, here square and square root gets cancelled, you will get 5 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 root 5. Root 5 minus 1 whole square, the value is 6 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 by 64. In the numerator we have root 5 minus 1 whole cube. This root 5 minus 1 whole cube we can write it as root 5 minus 1 whole square times root 5 minus 1. Already we found that root 5 minus 1 whole square value is 6 minus 2 root 5. We use that here. 6 minus 2 root 5 times root 5 minus 1. Multiply these two terms. 6 times root 5 is 6 root 5. 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 2 root 5 times root 5. Then minus times minus is plus. 2 root 5 times 1 is 2 root 5. Minus 2. Root 5 times root 5 is, it becomes 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 2 root 5. This is minus 6 minus 10 it becomes minus 16. Plus 6 root 5 plus 2 root 5 become 8 root 5. So root 5 minus 1 whole cube, the value is 8 root 5 minus 16. In this term, 6 is there, 2 is there. 2 take it as common. Then 2 by 16. If you 2 take it common, here you left with 3. Minus, here 2 take it common, you left minus root 5. Plus, here 8, here 16. So take it 8 as common. Then you left root 5 minus 2 by 64. Here 2 times 8 is 60. 8 times 8 is 64. So in the denominator you have 8. 3 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus 2. Minus root 5 plus root 5 gets cancelled. Then 3 minus 2, the value is 1 by 8. That is equal to your RHS. The second solution also satisfied our original equation. Let's take the third solution. First you do the numerator. Minus 1 minus root 5 whole square. Minus 1 minus root 5 whole square, the value is 6 plus 2 root 5. So the minus 1 minus square root of 5 whole power 3, the value is minus 16 minus 8 root 5. So here 2 take it as common. So then you are left with 3 plus root 5 by 16 plus here 8 take it as common. Then you are left with minus 2 minus root 5 by 8, 64. Here 8 times 8 is 64. Then here 2 times 8 is 3 plus root 5. This is minus 2 minus root 5 by 8. So plus root 5 minus root 5 gets cancelled. Then you are getting 1 by 8. So that means third solution also satisfied our original equation. So these three are our solutions. By eliminating each step of the problem solving journey, we unlock the elegance of mathematics. If you found this explanation enlightening, don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Thank you for watching.